So hey, what's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na ang subscribe, like, and share button para mag-update ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is separating mixtures. So yan, ito na ang ating last part ng ating lesson for this month. Ito ang ating separating mixtures. So, ang ating objective ngayon is observe how mixtures can be separated in different methods. So, dito sa ating lesson, makakita tayo ng mga iba't ibang mga methods and of course, mga ginagamit para makapag-separate tayo ng mga mixtures.
I'd also like to take this chance.
So, yan. Let's start and let's find out kung ano nga ba ang lesson natin about separating mixtures and ano nga ba yung informations and panibagong kaalaman ang ating malalaman about this lesson. So, ito na tayo sa next. Let's find out how did you separate the iron filings or fillings from the sulfur powder. Suppose you mix corn kernels and sawdust. Can you separate them from each other? How? There are several ways of separating mixtures. There are many ways to separate mixtures and we have different tools and of course apparatus to make our mixtures separated. So number 1 naman natin is filtration. So dito muna tayo sa letter A, mixtures of insoluble solids and liquids. So number 1 is filtration tayo. Filtration is done by using a filter that will catch the insoluble solid. A clear solvent called filtrate passes through it. So, for example, meron tayong mga experiments like, meron tayong, for example, ganting ginagawa namin sa school. Make a model of a filtration system. So, meron tayo nun sa mga labs natin, yung mga different apparatus, and meron tayong talagang, of course, pang filtration process na pwede nating maging experiment or pwede natin silang gamitin. Pag, of course, gusto nating makita kung paano ba yung filtration process. So, of course, kunyari, use a sharp pencil, and make 10 holes on the bottom foam cup. So, for example, sa cup, magbubutas ka. So, put 1 cm of fine gravel in the cup and add 3 cm of clean sand. So, then add 1 cm of powdered charcoal and finally another layer of fine gravel. So, slowly put a beaker under a filter and slowly pour 100 mm or 100 ml of dirty water through the model filtration system. So, yung mga fine gravel, yung clean sand, and yung 1 powdered charcoal ang ating parang pang-filtrate or pang-tanggal sa mga maduduming para malinis yung ating dirty water. So, ganun ang nangyayari sa filtration. So, dito naman tayo sa number 2. Ito naman ang ating decantation. So, it's the process of allowing the sediments to settle at the bottom of the container or to precipitate and then draw away the liquid without disturbing underlying sediment. So, yan yung tinatawag nating decantation. So, yan. Centrifuging. So, ito, medyo common to when it comes to science exhibits. Pag meron tayong mga science class, may mga teachers or yung may mga parang mga leaders ng mga science club na pwede kang makakita ng mga example how the centrifuge will work when it comes to separating mixtures. So yan, centrifuging is used when suspensions are difficult to separate by other methods. The centrifuge spins the suspension by creating a downward pull on the solids. For example, blood corpuscles can be separated from the plasma by centrifuging. So, yun yung parts ng ating centrifuge. So, this is the test tube holder. So, test tube yung ating gagamitin or pwede mailagay sa ating centrifuge to separate the mixture. So, yan, test tube holder. Ito, kita nyo, ayan, yung arrow. So, itong ating electric motor, ang alam ko, nagsispin siya. So, nagkakaroon kami ng mga science exhibit, umiikot yan. Test tube and the content. So, yan nandito. Ito yung kanyang rotor at ito yung kanyang lead or yung kanyang pinaka-takip. So, iikot yan. So, ito yung kanyang parang controller or control or remote to spin or to separate it separate na mga mixtures. So, yan. Mixtures and solids and solids. So, yan na na tayo. So, use of magnet. When metals are mixed with non-metals, the easiest way to separate metals from the non-metals is using by magnets. All the metals will stick to the magnet. So, for example, pag chemistry class namin or different, may marami mga activity, so si magnet talaga ang ipadala sa amin ng mga teacher. When it comes to separate metals na nag-mix sa mga non-metals and how it will behave or ano-ano nga ba yung mga non-metals and metals na maaari nating ma-separate. So, yan. So, number 2 natin is sifting. So, nandito naman tayo. Use of magnet. Ang next natin, ayun, bumaliktad. So, yan ang ating sifting naman tayo. Is used when solids of different sizes are to be separated. A strainer or sieve is used to separate small particles such as sand from gravel and pebbles. Have you seen construction workers separating sand from gravel? What did they use? So, yan. Ginagamit nila yung strainer. Yung malaking strainer, hindi yung ginagamit sa ating kusina. So, yung malaking strainer na yun, so sineseparate nila yung sand from gravel. So, yun. So, yung ating tinatawag na sifting. So, madali siyang maintindihan, lalong-lalo na yung use of magnet. So, sifting, yung parang sa construction workers, yung parang pair sila and hinahalo-halo nila or sinishake-shake nila yung sand to separate it from gravel. So, number 3, or letter C naman tayo, mixtures of soluble solids and liquids. So, evaporation naman tayo. So, it's done by heating the mixture until all the solvent is gone. In salt solution, salt crystals will be left on evaporating dish after all the liquid has evaporated. So, yan. Water evaporates from lakes and ocean surfaces. So, yun yung example natin. So, nandito tayo sa process ng pagbuo ng rain. So, ito lang yung ating evaporation. So, mixtures of soluble solids and liquids. Letter D naman tayo, mixtures of solids and liquids. So, distillation tayo. So, it's the process of separating and purifying liquid compounds. This is done by boiling the solution in a distilling apparatus and collecting the vapor or steam. The steam is passed water-cooled pipes called condensers. The steam passes through pipes, condenses into pure liquid called distillate. So, yan, the process of distillation. This is the boiling liquid. So, tataas yan. Fractionating column, the vapor. So, dito naman, ito yung cooling water out. So, ito yung ating condenser. So, cooling water in. So, ito yung ating distillate. Yan ang ating process of distillation. And the last one is separatory funnel or using a separatory funnel. So, yeah, liquids of different densities may be separated by using separatory funnel. The denser liquid sinks into the bottom while lighter one floats on the top. Opening the stopcock would allow the denser liquid to be removed without disturbing the upper layer. So, ito yung ating stopcock. Ayan. Para siya yung, alam niyo yung sa Harry Potter, yung para siyang vial. Siya yung parang tiny vial of yung liquid lock. So, parang ganun yung shape niya. So, yun ang ating separatory funnel. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and questions about our future and recent videos. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!